Afternoon all. Well, we did do a 10-minute video yesterday of me putting the ceiling up, but really all you got to see was my fat belly hanging out the bottom of my t-shirt, and I didn't really want to put anyone off their dinner, so I didn't really put it up. Besides which, it all went quite easy. We didn't drop or smash anything, so that's what it's looking like in a moment. Still looks like a load of scrap. We got some shelves in. I'm just working out the steel work there for her work surfaces. We're going to have to go and nip at the DIY place now because it's Saturday. We're not sure if they're open or not on Sunday. But I need a sink before I can work out what I'm going to do in this corner. So that is going to tie up. Oh, sorry about that if you were wearing headphones. That's pretty much going to tie up the rest of the day. Oh, gotta get a couple of bar stools as well, I suppose. But the scrap's getting less now. It's all gone from the bottom of the garden. It's now in the queue here to be chopped up. Update wise, that's about it really. Pretty boring for you lot. Flat out exhausting for me. Later then.